Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to log into your Trust Wallet account. First, ensure you have the official Trust Wallet application installed on your device. Once downloaded, open the app and you'll see options to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. Choose the I already have a wallet option to proceed with logging in. This process is straightforward and secures your digital assets effectively. To restore your wallet, you will need your 12-word recovery phrase. Carefully enter each word in the correct sequence into the provided fields. Double-check for any typos or incorrect word order, as even one mistake will prevent access. After successfully entering your phrase, you will be prompted to create a new passcode for daily access to your wallet. This step is crucial for security. Protecting your recovery phrase is paramount. Never share it with anyone, and be wary of phishing attempts. Store your phrase offline, perhaps written down and kept in a safe place, away from digital vulnerabilities. Additionally, enable biometric security features like fingerprint or Face ID within the app for an extra layer of protection and convenient access. Your digital assets depend on these practices. If you encounter issues logging in, first check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. If the problem persists, carefully re-enter your 12-word recovery phrase, paying close attention to each word and its order. Sometimes a small typo can prevent access. Remember, if you're looking for other great deals and want to stay refreshed, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and more. We hope this guide helps you manage your Trust Wallet securely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.